We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting, intriguing, and often mispronounced words in English as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In British English, this is normally pronounced as tuition. Tuition. You do want to stress on the E syllable. So note the tu sound here at the beginning. Tuition. In American English, however, it is normally said as tuition. Tuition. Tuition in American English versus tuition in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.